where. Title: The Science of Self-Control Simplified. Struggling to make yourself do what you know you should. Stop relying on willpower alone. What if you could pair watching your favorite show only while working out as a reward? Learn how this technique, called temptation bundling and implementation intentions, can improve your willpower. Self-control or self-regulation is basically your ability to manage your impulses, emotions, and behaviors to achieve specific goals. Think of it like this. You have a goal in mind, but there are temptations and distractions along the way. Self-control is what helps you stay on track. It's about delaying immediate gratification for a better later reward. Our brains play a big role in self-control. The prefrontal cortex, which is located at the front of your brain, is responsible for executive function, including planning, decision-making, and cognitive control. It helps you think before you act and resist impulsive behaviors. Neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin are also involved. Dopamine is linked to reward and motivation, while serotonin affects mood and impulse control. When you lack self-control, it's not just about willpower. It could also be related to these brain functions. So, how can you improve your self-control? There are several strategies you can use, and many of them involve understanding how your mind works. Mindfulness, for example, involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. By becoming more aware of your thoughts and feelings, you can better manage your impulses. Cognitive reappraisal means changing how you think about a situation. If you're tempted to eat a whole bag of chips, you might reframe it by thinking about how it will make you feel later. Another technique is implementation intentions. These are basically if-then plans. For example, if I feel like procrastinating, then I will work on my project for 30 minutes. This helps you prepare for temptations and make healthier choices. You can also modify your environment to make it easier to resist temptation. If you're trying to eat healthier, remove junk food from your house. If you want to focus on work, minimize distractions like social media. Temptation bundling, as mentioned in the intro, is a cool way to link something you want to do with something you should do. Stress, surprisingly, can severely impact self-control. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which can impair your cognitive functions. Managing stress through exercise, meditation, or other coping mechanisms that can improve your self-control. Also, things like sleep and nutrition play a vital role. Lack of sleep and poor nutrition can lead to energy depletion and affect your ability to make good decisions. Self-monitoring, or keeping track of your behaviors, can also be helpful. This helps you identify patterns and triggers. One interesting area of research is ego depletion. The idea is that self-control is like a muscle that can get tired. However, this concept is still debated, and newer studies suggest that motivation and beliefs about willpower may play a larger role. This highlights how much we still need to learn about self-control. While this video simplifies the science of self-control, many questions remain unanswered. For instance, how do early life experiences shape our capacity for self-regulation? What are the most effective interventions for individuals with severe impulse control disorders? These are topics for future exploration. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to keep watching such amazing videos.